Hey folks, Adam here. We're at the pool today and we are checking out the E10. This is a portable cordless pool robot that's able to get into those tiny little areas. It's good for a big pool, it's good for a little pool, maybe a swim spa, and you're able to get everything clean. It's got a rechargeable lithium battery, and this is going to save you time. It's very cost effective. We're going to give you all the details right now. I love the fact that it's got that auto back away and reapproach. This will get right up to the edge. It will go around big obstacles, pick up that dirt and debris. I have tested it thoroughly in a variety of styles pools, and we've never had it get stuck. That matters to me. I also love that it's got that fast full charging in a matter of about 3.5 hours. That is very convenient, and it makes us very happy with the overall charge. We're able to recharge it quickly. We never have to worry about it. It's also got 120 minutes of runtime, and that means you can get a lot of square footage done on every single charge, getting your entire pool, your swim spa, whatever you're trying to clean. It's able to do it quickly and efficiently. Folks, I also love that this brand, UBoter, has a great reputation. For zero defects, they are absolutely phenomenal. They've just done a great job from top to bottom and stem to stern. That 2026 upgrade is no joke, folks. It's definitely time that you go pick one up. I love the fact that they've got that dual filter system. You're not replacing bags. It's easy to rinse out, and we'll show you all that in the upcoming portions of the video. So folks, let me give you some of the facts and figures. This is a pool vacuum, the UBoter E10 cordless robotic pool cleaner with dual layer filtration, powerful obstacle crossing, enhanced edge and corner cleaning, and 120 minutes for above ground and flat bottom pools up to 860 square feet. Now, of course, I love that dual layer filtration. We'll show you more of that here in the video. This is great for dirt, dust, and debris, pollen, bugs, and fine debris. This is great to improve your pool with less effort, and these big tires and wheels are going to allow it to go over significant obstacles. This has enhanced edge and corner cleaning, giving you an auto back away and reapproach that we talked about earlier to get those pool edges, tackle algae and buildup in areas to get rid of those spots and reduce missed spots. Has strong obstacle crossing, so it's not getting sucked into the vents and things on your pool or your filters. Easily navigates flat or up to about 10 degrees of slope in our testing without getting stuck. And it is very reliable and will keep you up and running. I also love that smart auto parking, making it easy to lift out of the pool. You never have to get in the pool, you never have to get wet. This does a great job for you, collects all the dirt in one location, not spilling it back into the water when you pull it out, unlike some other brands I'm not going to mention. Of course, folks, you can enjoy up to 120 minutes of runtime, cleaning pools up to 860 square feet per cycle, saving time and reducing your regular cleaning workload. Removable filters are easy to empty and rinse. We'll show you that in a moment. We'll also show you in the up-close portion of the video that it's completely hassle-free, comes with a hook, and you don't have to worry about vacuuming anymore. And folks, you can see before we started, there was just a lot of gunk floating around on the surface. So the surface is very important to people wanting to get into your pool. Now let's go ahead. We're going to fast forward a little bit, let it do its work. And we're going to take a look at the after. And an impressive and drastic improvement. The after looks so much nicer. All right, folks, now let's go ahead and open it up and see what kind of dirt and debris it was able to pull out of the pool. Now, I love the fact that we've got these dual layers of filters. Now, the filters themselves, it's very nice that you can just rinse them off. You're not paying for expensive filters like you would with your pool. My pool filters each are about 3 times the price of this unit. So that's nice. Then inside you can see how much dirt and debris is in here. I'm gonna let that drain out and take our hose and just rinse out the sand. See if we can get that on camera for you. Just get that all out of there. And that's just one time running through the pool. Now what's nice about that is sometimes you don't even see that dirt and debris in the bottom of your pool. Just sitting there, obscured, you don't notice it. But this gives you the opportunity to go ahead and get that unseen dirt and debris out of your pool, keeping it clean, keeping your filters clean, and keeping the water clean. I think that's a huge part as well. So folks, what I'm going to ask you to do is stick around for our up close portion of the video. We're going to show you the product even more details up close and personal. But if you've already decided this is a great opportunity to go pick that up, you won't be disappointed. And again, it's a brand that stands behind their products. It's been making high quality products for a long period of time, and they are dedicated to your satisfaction. So yes, folks, I'm very happy with the device overall. It's a petite cleaning system that's able to do medium and small size pools with no problem at all. This gets up that dirt and debris. I love the fact that there's no filter that I have to mess with replacing. I can just rinse it out. Love the fact that it doesn't get stuck. I like the fact that it has quite a bit of suction for its size, and that extra long run time is keeping my bottom of my pool extra clean, and it'll keep your pool clean too. Now, if you're looking for a great product that won't break the bank, we highly recommend you go pick this up. You will not be disappointed. With that being said, my name is Adam. We're talking about the best of the best. Go pick this up and you can forget the rest. Now stick around for our up close portion of the video for even more. All right, folks, now it's time for the up close portion of the video where you get to see the E10 up close and personal as it arrived. Now the reason for this portion of the video is to give you a perspective of what it looks like out of the box. But if you've already decided based on the performance earlier in the video, which is the most engaging portion of the video, well, guess what? It's a great time to go ahead and put it in your cart. But we save this portion for those people that want to see everything up close and personal. See this sleek and stylish pool vacuum. The E10 cordless robotic pool cleaner with dual filtration, obstacle crossing, enhanced edge and corner cleaner, and 120 minutes of runtime. Yeah, 120, folks. Now this is a tremendous device that's going to be perfect for above ground and flat bottom pools, 860 square feet up to. So this gives us a great device that's going to work for us every single time. Now it's got those rubberized bumpers in the front to make sure it's not scuffing up and messing up your pool. Underneath, you can see it's got a powerful vacuum suction and all the features that you need and none that you don't want. Now we've got the little scrapers here, which we will go ahead and we may apply after the video, but you can see that these essentially will clip into place on the bottom, and we will consult the user manual for that here in a moment. But it should be a pretty easy placement right in there. So then in addition, we go ahead and you can see it does come with the user manual for Manuel. That's the E10, folks. And yes, we're so excited about this. It's a very popular item. It is coming in at a price point that won't break the bank. We've got the cool colors on it. I love that gray. You can see everything included. It's great for your pools. It's got a lithium ion battery. It comes with the scraper, the hook, the battery charger, and the user manual, and of course the device itself. And it's got that ultra fine filter for the bottom. It does have the hook like they indicated, and the charging cable. Now, if we look at this, it's got very large tires that are able to, or at least wheels that are able to go over whatever it needs to with the drive assist there. We've got the power with pushing water. And yes, this has the enhanced corner cleaning. It is a sleek design, fine fabric, 180 UM plus 50 UM dual filters to capture large and fine debris. You can see the easy on-off button right on the top. All of the features you need and none that you don't. Okay, that's going to be for charging right there. And yeah, they've just done a great job giving you the design you need without all of the hassle. Looking inside, we're going to take that lid off there. You can see that fine filter, easily rinseable, the first layer of protection. The second layer of protection, that's going to be very nice. We can clean that. Keep your water clean, not just the bottom of your pool. And then you've got that inlet right there. So very easy to clean out. Your dirt and debris is going to sit right there. The dual layer of filtration is a real bonus, and they've done a great job here. Now, folks, before you get it, I'm going to go ahead and recommend you charge it before first use. They've just done a great job with these scrapers, able to get large debris like small leaves and things. We've got a watertight protection for charging. Everything you need at a price that won't break the bank. Folks, we highly recommend you go pick one up. You will not be disappointed. This is a stylish, sophisticated, powerful robot that we love, and we know you're going to love as well. Folks, go pick one up. Thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.